Welcome to our channel. Today we how to optimize your claims with Assurant detailed guide step by step clearly. To optimize your claims with Assurant, begin by gathering all necessary documentation. Make sure you have your policy details, including the policy number and coverage information. Collect any relevant receipts or invoices related to the claim. Document the incident thoroughly, including dates, times, and specific details. Take clear photos of any damaged items or property. Log into your Assurant account on the website or mobile app. Navigate to the Claims section and select File a Claim. Choose the type of claim you are submitting. Fill in the required information accurately and completely. Attach any supporting documents, such as photos or receipts. Review your claim details before submission for accuracy. After submitting, note your claim number for future reference. Monitor the status of your claim regularly through your account. If you have questions, contact Assurant's customer service for assistance. Be prepared to provide any additional information they may request. Once your claim is processed, review the decision carefully. If you disagree with the outcome, consider filing an appeal. Keep records of all communications regarding your claim for future reference. Following these steps will help ensure a smoother claims process with Assurant. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.